Good morning, students of class 8. This is Neeraj Pratap Singh, and today we will learn Unit 2, Chapter 1. Means it is the second unit. Previously we have learned the first unit. There is 3 chapters, and in this unit there is also 3 chapters. So it is the first chapter of our Unit 2. The name of this chapter is written here, The World at Our Fingertip, and that is written by Leslie Lazer. So, before going to start the chapter, I would like to say something to you. Just whenever you will read any type of chapter, that time you have to read the name of the chapter. And here written the world at our fingertip. So, first of all, we will make ourselves understand that what is called fingertip. This is our palm, and these all are called our fingertip. So, what is the meaning of this heading of this chapter, that world in our fingertip? In this chapter, you will learn about the importance of our fingertips. There is a lots of receptor. Receptor means you can say that recognizing anything, the ability to recognize, the ability to understand, it is a sensational part. So you can say that in our hand, our fingertip has a very good sensational part, that is called receptors. So the full chapter is talking about the importance of fingertip. Whenever we will understand about anything, when our eyes are closed and when we touch anything, that time we can identify it, we can justify it, we can understand that what type of this thing is. Like if I will close my eyes and if I will take any type of shape or any harder substance or softer substance, that time I can say that it is harder. So the receptor can help us to recognize all the things, whether it would be harder, whether it would be softer, or if we will touch the hot substances and the cold substance, that time we can also say that it is hot and it is cold. Here is a lots of example in your chapter, in this chapter, here is a lots of example related to the sensation, related to the receptors present in our fingertip. Like here is a 3 or 4 example. I will just mention all the things, that whenever we have to check out, we have to find out whether there is air or not in our tube or tires, means I am talking about cycle. So that time we can press the tire with the help of our fingertip, and that time we can identify, we can just understand that is there any lacking of air or not. The second example is whenever we will touch any type of article, means here we are talking about the shapes, that time with closed eyes we can say that the size and the shape is of what kind. Like if I will take an apple in my hand and if I will take a banana in my hand, that time with the closed eyes I can say that it is a banana and it is an apple. Like that, here is also an example about the blind people who can read the things you know very well, that is called a script, that is invented by Louis Braille, that is Braille Lipi. In a Braille Lipi, in a Braille script, there is a dot-like system which is raised at its platform. Through the raised dots, a blind person can recognize, a blind person can understand the letters very easily. So, this is the thing about the whole chapter. Here are one or two more example about the importance of our fingertip, which we can understand or recognize things. That's all. Thank you.